Next, Bidyasing Engleng Dangoria. Homoy 5 minutes apnar.
Chairman Dangoria, Aji Hosakoi, more anondito. Kyo, this is the first time je Nijor Assembly Sai Jagapara, Ohmor Beleg. Chairman Dangoria, Amar Chief Minister, Dudu Dor Hitar Holot, Aru Amar Speaker, Dudu Dor Hitar Holot, Aji BTD, tribal area, first outside Maliki Dynama Dibola. Aru Beko Amar 6 schedule Kotha, 6 schedule do. Hills of the 6 schedule to hills area to Ohomor hills area to 6 schedule Kolavose, Potomote. It's about Bitedi who say, Kindu, Pasot, Kyo Andres for Karbianglong Aru and Seals people. Kotato is a that then Chief Minister and that then government. Hey Homoyot, Koise, Tote Najabi, Meghalo, Amalote Takibina. Boxes dim. Ki boxes dibo. Ki reward dibo. Hey to say Article 244A state within the state. Hey Ditya Prodoto Kuisa I not Hombidano. Tare Kusa ita 3 proposal DI nine. Ama Nati Hokole which amane Gompua goise, Ama Rora Hokole Gompua ho goise, Amio Gompua goise, Kyo Diana. It's a heck and Majamaja demand Kora to keep Beausenigi. No other Yoto Kobaja Equina, Blicodivo. Heck and Monopelidisu, G Article 244A, I say, he to Hunkali Didio. He stayed within the state. Oh, Karo Nije, I Nije, what is it? Aji Chief Minister, Aji government, head government is to what is a head to Kodibola, you wouldn't. Oh. Kothadi Kothanare, the head Homodo Budguri, Sosono Sirani, Sosono Sira, more Kare, Jakaron Ham Noko, that minister, government. Title your Kyomanaki, Ama to Honman Journal. Ama the Kara be like Kyomanaki to count here. Hey, can development is a Hosakoi. Ama Chief Minister Sari. J 6 Hidu Hamperke, Kaka Mono Dukase, Cock. Hey, can I give Bohol Soboko, Maneke, Hunako, Janako, Chief Minister Saretu, non 6 schedule Hokola, Bujabo, Noel, Japanalke, Bujobu. If some with them Soboko Kotakobuli chances, Sobole Janibolo is a Holenoy. Even Amar Okiloko, Amarke, Amino, Slamoko, it is a record. Kabalo, Tama Chief Minister. To put the job in the support colony, who say, what do you happen here? Go to It's on the naked outside. Yadamaro, Kalbiang, Bohoto, Tunaponi Kose, J. Rasta put your Hosako Balbose, medical college person, University, Dize. It's a more board, Apunako commanded Bonkuri Todibo. It's a Kotatu is a more better politician. It's a Kabiano and seal Hanto Hobo. Ki Hanto Hobo, 8 Puri Hunaidisu. Memorandum please, memorandum of settlement. The government of India and the government of Assam have made persistent efforts in the past to fulfill the legitimate aspiration of the Karbi people, which led to the evolution of more autonomy to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and development of the area. Notwithstanding this initiative, organization representing the Karbi people continue the demand for creation of an autonomous state under Article 244A of the Constitution in an effort to find a comprehensive and final solution to the issue. Several rounds of tripartite discussion were recently held with the leaders of Karbi Anglong armed groups as well as elected representatives of Karbi people. The negotiations have led to the signing of the memorandum of settlement, which will ensure greater devolution of autonomy to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, protection of identity, language, culture, etc. of Karbi people, rehabilitation of cadre of the armed groups, and focus development of the council area without affecting the territorial and administrative integrity of the Assam. The signatory armed groups have agreed. The signatory groups have agreed to absorb violence, and join the peaceful democratic process as established by law of the land. First, the Committee of the Legislative Assembly of Assam, as envisaged under Article 371B of the Constitution, will be constituted immediately. The government of India may expedite passage of the Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019, which proposes to rename the council as Karbi Anglong Autonomous Territorial Council and increase the number of members to not more than 50, of whom 6 members, including at least 2 women members, will be nominated by the governor, and the rest of the members will be elected of the adolescents. 3. The government of India and the government of Assam will take necessary steps to reserve 34 seats for ST and 10 seats under open category for the community out of 44 elected seats in KAC. The Constitution 125. So when the Constitution 125 Amendment Bill 2019 proposes to transfer the further subject KAC, amending
125 to Parliament amendment of it.
Support number the government of Assam shall set up a committee to study the demand for notifying Karbi language as an associate language in the state. The committee will also recommend measures to further. The government of Assam shall set up a Karbi Welfare Council, focus development of Karbi people living outside KAC. I don't want to lay down to you. Thank you.